welcome to the International Federation of Public History YouTube channel. My name is Lily and I am an IFPH Explorers intern. Today we are going to be making Irish soda bread and discussing its history. Irish soda bread is dated back to November 1836, when a recipe for soda bread appeared in an entry of Farmer's Magazine. The recipe called for 1.5 pounds of good wheaten meal, 2 teaspoons of finely powdered salt, and a large teaspoon of supercarbonate of soda dissolved in half a teacupful of cold water. The ingredients are combined through rubbing the mixture together like so. After which, the very sour buttermilk is poured in. The mixture is further combined to make a soft dough. The dough should then be shaped into a cake of about 1 inch thickness. Do not forget to flour your hands and the bench. Grease a Dutch oven or frying pan with butter so the bread does not stick, and place the shaped dough inside. Curator at the National Museum of Ireland, Clodagh Doyle, said that Irish soda bread was traditionally cooked in a pot oven called a bastable, which was either hung over an open fire or placed near the hearth. Doyle said that domestic oven baking was not customary in 19th century Ireland, which esteemed historian Tony Barnard linked to the cultural preferences and cost. The dough should be cooked under a metallic cover such as an oven lid or griddle for 20 minutes on a moderate heat. After 20 minutes, the pan would be covered with hot coals or griosloch for half an hour, and the underheat would be gradually reduced during the last 15 minutes. However, since we are using a modern gas stove, we are going to finish the bread off on a pan in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Check on the loaf every 15 minutes to ensure that it does not burn. Remember to allow the bread to cool for 10 minutes after taking it out of the oven. And this is the final product, which is often enjoyed warm and with butter. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to watch more public history videos, please leave a like and subscribe.